This is fit for a 2016 through 2018 and likely beyond Toyota Tacoma extra cab with a 6-foot bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the LEITNER ACS truck rack system. This is a fully off-road capable truck rack system. It is constructed of military grade aluminum alloy, tubular and plate with high quality welding. It offers 250-pound carrying capacity off-road, 500-pound carrying capacity on-road, and 1,000-pound carrying capacity static while parked. It features the quad channel load bars. The rear load bars attaches to a track with turn knobs to allow for variable adjustability or to slide it completely forward against the front load bar to allow easy loading of a motorcycle in the back or other taller items. This is a no drill application. It rests on the bed rail with a plate. The plate itself also has a track which can be matched up with the top track to allow for a wide range of accessories. It's utilizing the factory threaded connection points as well as the Utilitrack system. There are 3 fasteners that connect to the Utilitrack system. In addition, for lateral stability, there's a no drill installation of the lateral support. This rack weighs only 70 pounds. Crossbars measure 48 inches in width. This product and the full line of LEITNER products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.